Hello, friends. We are back. It is a new day in November. Remember, we're in the month of November. Our star has moved, and now we're on a new date. So let's figure out that new date. If the last date was the 15th, that means that this new date will be the 16th. So today is, gotta go up and find our day of the week. It's Monday, and our month is November. And our new date is the 16th, and the year is 2020. So if I wanted to tell you what today is, I would say Monday, November the 16th, 2020. Now, if I wanted to figure out yesterday, I'll look at my star and I'll go back one, I'll go all the way up here at the days of the week, and it tells me that yesterday was Sunday. If I want to figure out what tomorrow will be, I'll look at my star and I'll go forward. Look up here at my days of the week, and it says it'll be Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, let's write it out. So our month is still November. November is the 11th month of the year. So we'll write an 11. And it is the 16th. So I'll write a 16. And the year is 2020. So I'll write me a 20 here. All right, let's spell out November. Remember, we start with a capital N. O V E M B E R. November. Great job. All right. Oh, get my clicker back here. Okay, so now let's add another hat because we are counting how many days of November we've had in school so far. So we're filling up these 10 frames. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's still in the ones because we haven't filled up this 10 frame just yet. So we have 8 days in November so far. All right, let's make our pattern. This isn't really a pattern. We're just continuing to practice counting backwards. So we start at 11 and then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. All right, let's do our pattern here. We're going to do a hat, which is A, and some turkey for B. So A, B, A, B. Whoop, this one was going to grab the wrong one. A and B. If we want to circle and see how many there are, this is an A and this is a B. So here's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. There are 3 groups of our patterns. A, B pattern. Now this week we're going to start making some new patterns that we've talked about in math. The A-B pattern, or I'm sorry, the A-B-B patterns, maybe an A-B-C pattern. All right, we've been in school for another day, so let's add another square here. Now we can count our tens because we know in each rod there's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 tens here. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50 squares right here. And then 50, 51, 52. Oh my goodness. We've been in school for 52 days. Let's add a circle onto our 10 frames. Remember, each frame has 10 circles in it, so I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 51, 52. 52 days. Okay, tally marks. This right here is 5 tally marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51. We got to add one more to make 52. We've been in school for 52 days. Okay, let's move our circle. This is what 52 looks like, a 5 and a 2. There's 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones. Okay, let's shade this in because we've been in school for 8 days in November. 8 days in November. And 8 is, it has a partner, so that means he's an even number. No one is left alone. All right, our fact family. Miss Horton is going to choose number. Miss Horton's going to pick 3. And let's go 8. So if I had if I had 3 things, let's say 3 candy bars, and I added 8 more candy bars, how many candy bars would that be? Right, that would be 11 candy bars. All right, now let's reverse this. Let's put the 8 here. So if I had 8 candy bars and then I added 3 of those candy bars, I would still get 11 of those candy bars. Let's take our large number and see if we can subtract out of it. So here's our large number. We're going to subtract that 3. So if I had those 11 candy bars and I took 3 of them away, I would get 8. If I had those 11 candy bars and I took 8 of them away, I would have 3 left. This is our fact family. Remember, it's using 3 different numbers. Okay. Remember, we will continue to do the weather when we get back. Remember, the season is fall. The season is fall. Okay, let's try some money. We have been in school for 52 days now, so let's do 52 cents. Remember, our cent sign is here, and our cents go after the decimal. So we're doing 52 cents. Okay, remember our quarters. This is the quarters front, and this is the quarters back. They are worth 25 cents. So I can add 2 quarters to a front and a back, and that's going to give me 50 cents because this one's 25 and this one's 25. And when I put 2 25s together and I add them, that will give me 50. Now I need 2 more, so I add 2 pennies. 1, 2, 52. All right, let's go to our time. Remember, our long hand is for our minutes and our small hand is for the hour. So our hour is pointing at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. All right, our shape for the day. This shape is kind of looking like a house, but this shape is called a pentagon. A pentagon. Oops, maybe it's a little too big there. Let's see if I can figure. Okay, so that's a pentagon. The properties of this pentagon is it's orange. The pentagon could be, it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 vertices. Remember, vertices are the little points. How many sides does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. There we go. All righty. Let's keep going. Okay, so we're going to do a little story problem. We're going to use Rita Beth today. Rita Beth has 2 pennies for helping Miss Horton. She earns 5 more pennies during reading groups. How many pennies does Rita Beth have now? So she had 2 pennies. Oops. 2 pennies. And then she earned 5 more, so we're going to add those. She earned 5 more during reading groups. We got to figure out how many she has now. So 5 plus 2 will give me 7. So Rita Beth now has 7 pennies. All right, friends, we have lots and lots to do this week. I hope you enjoy your time with your families. I can't wait till we're back in school. If you need any help, please reach out. All right, bye.